Now I will explain the main components of the Assembleon calibration. First of all, this is the calibration steel belt of the feeder. There are two. This is the computer host. This is the main body of the calibrator. And this is monitor, normal monitor, a regular mouse, a regular keyboard and a mouse. This is the connection cable for the computer. There are 3 power cords and 2 more. SPC CAN and the UPS connection cable. The power cord of our computer host, power cord and display cable, including the power cord of this calibrator. Just plug it in normally. That's not something we're going to demonstrate here. This is a CAN cable, and this is to display the PC side. We note that this is the PC side, the computer side. We plug it in this position. This is the calibration instrument side. Please ask our colleague and move it over here. We insert it in this position. Pay attention to the direction. Okay, this is the cable for the camera. Let's see if it's plugged into the computer. The first position. Then we plug the other end into this position. Then the connection of our calibrator. All it takes is the connection between the mainframe and the ontology monitor. It's almost done. The keyboard and the mouse of a regular computer. It can be plugged into any USB port of the machine. We just plug it in. This position. Pay attention to the direction. Then the installation of all the components of our calibrator has been completed.